first and foremost, we're going to break this thing open. I'll show you some of the insides here to it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's what we got. Griddle's pretty much put together, so you don't got to do a whole lot there. What's really nice about these though is they're designed to be stored and taken with you, camping, that kind of thing. The top actually just flips right over. So if you can see here, I've taken the lid off, and inside you've basically got your two burners here, and you have your drip tray. So this is actually a really cool feature. So I mean, if you're looking for, you know, what kind of griddle that you're gonna go with, this actually has the rear drip tray and a portable griddle. So that's kind of a nice thing. And that was stuck right in here. The other neat thing is it kind of opposed to the 17-inch, and it's probably, I mean, it's probably not a big deal, but you see this little cap right here, this actually goes over the knob where you hook into the regulator for your propane tank. So just kind of protects it a little bit. I know the 17-inch doesn't have that, but it's kind of a nice little feature. So I will take this off here and show you what that looks like. So here is the regulator. So I unwrap this. This is actually going to screw in right on the side here. So pop this in right here, push it all the way in. You can see that from the video. I'll try to zoom in. But it pushes all the way in, and then you take this and just screw it right on there. So it's a little snug right now, but and then you'll just hook your green bottle into here, and I'll show you that later. And that just sits right on the side. So I will tell you, what's really cool about this is you can actually store stuff right in there while you're traveling, and you flip the griddle top back over. So first, what I'm going to do before I do that is I'm actually going to put the legs on here. These right here that I showed you, and we'll get that going. Okay, legs are attached. I will tell you, don't drop thin things because they will bounce all over the place like a little bouncy ball. But a couple things I did notice after attaching the legs and kind of looking inside of here is, you can see here, right here where the regulator sits, it just slides right in there. So not a big deal, but kind of a cool little feature, because on the 17-inch you just have to lay it in there. The 17-inch fits pretty tight, but so it's not moving everywhere. But I kind of like the extra, organization and safety of that. So that's everything put together. I mean, literally that took about a couple minutes. Real simple. The real work begins though here in a second. But at first, I'm just going to actually put this on here and just show you exactly how it looks. So the knobs sit inside of here, and there you go. So pretty nice. You have a lot of room for cooking, which is good, especially being outside at a campsite or something like that. It's not going to be overly big, but it is going to be able to fit on the end of a picnic table, for example. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. We like to use Blackstone products. So I have some other videos out there on seasoning. Of course, one of the most popular one is a 17-inch seasoning video, so look that one up. This one's going to be seasoned a little bit differently from that one. But before I jump right in, if you're the kind of person that's looking for videos on Blackstone products, maybe you like to travel, you like to camp, that kind of thing, if that's the videos you like to watch, definitely subscribe to our channel. We appreciate that. And if this is something that's helpful for you, give us a like. We'd appreciate that as well.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.